Hey guys, me again, and I'm doing a updated bike review on my BlackEye Killorado. Alright, so I put a KMC heavy duty chain on, and it already snapped once, but I don't know why. I think it was because my chain tool was messed up, but I fixed it. And I got red Odyssey brake pads that were in my unboxing, and my stolen cell bars are freaking amazing. They look awesome on my bike. Got my Odyssey mono lever on, 2-finger lever, it's pretty nice. And I put my Odyssey Radkin P-Lite 2.225 on. It's much nicer than the little skinny one that came on it. And other than that, the bike's just perfect for me. Except I was in the park and I scraped up the bottom of my frame really bad right there, and it kind of disappointed. But yeah, it's my bike check.